Our topic today is Brightfield illumination. Brightfield is a regular illumination used by most light microscopes. In Brightfield illumination, the microscope light shines through the condenser lens and illuminates the slide from the bottom. Because the microbes are being directly illuminated from the bottom, they appear transparent and their internal organs can easily be seen. The condenser can be adjusted to adjust the illumination of the microscope. For example, when I open the condenser, more light reaches the slide. Thus, the onion cells become brighter and lose contrast. But when I close the condenser, the onion cells become darker and gain contrast. Closing the condenser is useful while observing bacteria as it increases contrast. In Brightfield, the microbes are transparent and the background is bright. But in another illumination technique called Darkfield, the microbes are bright and the background is dark. And that's the end of our video. Bye, see you next time.